Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will solve this question. So let's get start. In this question we are given if a cubed equals to root of root b, where b is greater than 0, what is the value of a in terms of b? A in terms, remember that, what does this mean? A in terms of b or b in terms of a. So if I write a in terms of b, it means that I have a equals something involving b, and if I have b in terms of a, it means that I have b in equals to some expression involving a. So in this question we need to solve we need to find the value of a in terms of b. So we will use this definition, not this. So how can we do it? So let's proceed. First just write what we know. We know that a cube equals root of b, and we know that we can just convert this to whole power half. So we can just do this here. Similarly, we can write a cube equals to b to the power half whole power half, and then we can just multiply these guys. So it will give us a3 equals to 1/4. Let me tell you one important fact here. So if I have a to the power square 5/3, and if I have a to the power square power 3, so remember that these two are not equal. These two are not equal because this guy says we need to take power of 2 here. So this 3 is the power of 2, so it will give us a power 8, and this will go, and when we have a bracket we need to multiply the exponent. So 2 times 3 is 6, so this will a to the power 6. So clearly these two are not equal. So similarly we did the same thing here. We multiply these guys. Half into half times half is 1/4. Similarly, also remember a fact that if I have a to the power 1 over something here, let me correct it. If I have a to the power something here and I have anything here, then if I take this power to other side of the equal sign, I just take its reciprocal. So the 3 will become 1/3. Similarly we can do it here. So let's back to our question. We can do it a equals to b to the power 1/4. I pause the video just to save the time. So we can just if we took it to the other side, so we can just reciprocal it, so it will give us 3, and as I told you we need to multiply these two guys, so we will get b to the power 3/4. So its answer is option D. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.